So next you can see electrophilic substitution reaction. इसमें हम ज़्यादा discussion नहीं करेंगे because it's very simple. So many times we have discussed. Okay. So what is electrophilic substitution reaction? It is for aromatic compound, for aromatic aldehyde, aromatic ketone. So all of you know this is benzaldehyde. And this is, if suppose R is CH3, we can say it is acetophenone. And if it is benzene, that is benzophenone. Okay. So what is the common in both cases? In benzaldehyde or in ketones, CO group is common. And when you draw the resonance, you know this is which type of effect. Minus R effect means it is meta-directing group. So all aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketones are meta-directing nature, that is minus R effect. And if you write any reaction, you get the meta product. Okay. So what are the three reactions? You can see the nitration, that is conc HNO3 and conc H2SO4, to get meta-nitro benzaldehyde. Okay. I'm not writing the name of all compound. Meta-nitro benzaldehyde. तो जितने भी रिएक्शन लिखोगे सभी में तुम्हें मेटा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा. ओके. सो नाइट्रेशन मेटा-नाइट्रो बेंजल्डिहाइड. Sulfonation, metasulfonic benzaldehyde. Okay, in this case, this is more priority. You can write the name. Halogenation, at meta position, halogen will attached. If chlorination, Cl2 FeCl3 or Br2 FeBr3, so what the product you get meta. Okay. And this reaction is means aromatic aldehyde and aromatic ketone will not show Friedel-Crafts reaction. Already I told ki Friedel-Crafts reaction shown by only the activating group, not deactivating group. And all of you know minus R effect also is what? Deactivating in nature. So aldehydes and ketones are deactivating in nature, so it will not undergo for Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay. So now this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. So now moving towards the next topic. You can see, okay. So now the next topic is carboxylic acid of this chapter. This is the last topic of this chapter, that is carboxylic acid. And all of you know the IUPAC name, that is oic acid, and symbol also you know. Now first is preparation. So what are the methods by which carboxylic acids can be prepared? Few methods already you have done. Okay, so this is the first method which already you have done. That is oxidation of alcohol, oxidation of aldehyde, even oxidation of alkene also you have done if the alkene having hydrogen present. Okay, oxidation of alcohol, that is KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 convert into carboxylic group. Aldehyde also oxidized to convert into carboxylic acid either by KMnO4 or K2Cr2 or Tollens reagent or Fehling reagent, so many reagents. In all cases, aldehyde convert into carboxylic. Even iodoform test in which the CHO group oxidizes into COONA, that is also part of oxidation. Iodoform is this, our CH3 group is converted into iodoform, but CHO is converted into COONA. That is also oxidation part. Alkene also you have read. There is a cleavage of the bond in KMnO4 hot and concentrated and convert into carboxylic acid. So this is the first method by which carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation of alcohol, aldehydes and alkenes. Okay. Next method is, that is also oxidation. I could write over there, but इसको थोड़ा मैंने अलग लिखा है क्योंकि थोड़ा सा इसमें aromatic compound हो जाता है. That's why. Okay. Now oxidation of alkyl benzene, and by oxidation of alkyl benzene we get aromatic carboxylic acid. Okay. So now first reaction you see. What is the name of this compound? This is called toluene. Yeah. So what happens when toluene oxidized with KMnO4 in alkaline KMnO4, that is KMnO4 and KOH? So what we get? This directly oxidized CH3 जो होता है वो directly carboxylic acid में क्या होता है? Oxidize हो जाता है. So what we get the product? क्या मिलेगा? COO.
Benzoic acid.
We get
Benzoic acid.
COO. What could I, what I will write? COO. क्या लिखें? COOH. नहीं? No. We will write COOK. Because what is here? Base. So don't write H. You have to write first cook. And then further it is acidified to form कुछ. बच्चे क्या करते हैं एग्जाम में, बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, डायरेक्ट वो COH लिख देते हैं. सो if H plus is there, then only it can form the acid. Otherwise, it will be forming salt of acid. Okay. Suppose we are adding the same reagent in, this is toluene, that is methyl benzene. This is ethyl benzene. ठीक है, इसमें बताओ क्या रिएक्शन होगा. In case of ethyl benzene, if we are adding the same reagent which I have added, same reagent अगर add करते हैं, tell me the product. Means we are adding KMnO4, KOH, and even I am adding H plus over here. Same ही step में add कर देते हैं. So what we get the product? This will also oxidize. Alkyl will oxidize, and we get what product? COH. We are getting benzoic acid here. We are getting benzoic acid here also. Even in this case also, if we take the same reagent, KMnO4, KOH, and H plus, we get again benzoic acid. Okay. तो यहाँ पे जो एल्काइल ग्रुप है, चाहे जितना भी लॉन्ग चेन होगा, डज नॉट मैटर, वी गेट ऑलवेज बेंजोइक एसिड. ठीक है.
मैम ऐसा क्यों?
ठीक है, एक सेकेंड. इफ वी टेक, एक और एग्जांपल लेती हूँ, उसके बाद से बताती हूँ. इफ वी टेक दिस, okay, and we are adding the same reagent, what will be the, should we get benzoic acid over here? Will we get, क्या ये रिएक्शन होगा? नहीं होगा. Means what we can say, so what is the conclusion over here? Okay, in benzene, if alkyl group is attached, any alkyl group attached where at least one hydrogen must present. इसके बाद चाहे जितना भी लॉन्ग चेन ले लो, चाहे तुम यहाँ पे 10 कार्बन ले लो, यहाँ पे तुम जो भी ब्रांचिंग करना कर लो, बट एटलीस्ट वन अल्फा हाइड्रोजन मस्ट प्रेजेंट. अगर बेंजीन पे C के साथ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है, मीन्स 1H प्रेजेंट है, तो इट ऑलवेज ऑक्सीडाइज इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सच ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट टू फॉर्म बेंजोइक एसिड. Okay, but if there is an absence of any alpha hydrogen, means if the carbon will be tertiary carbon, अगर यहाँ पे कोई भी हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, if there is a no hydrogen, if it is tertiary carbon, then it will not form benzoic acid. Okay, तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली बॉन्ड क्लीव हो जाता है, एंड दिस CH कन्वर्ट इनटू कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. Okay, now clear? So when any alkyl group attached to the benzene having at least one hydrogen, that form benzoic acid in presence of KMnO4, KOH, and acidification. But if the carbon has no alpha hydrogen, means if the carbon is tertiary carbon, एक भी hydrogen नहीं है, then benzoic acid will not form, क्योंकि यहाँ पे H is necessary, क्योंकि वो aldehyde में होता है, and then वो carboxylic acid में convert होता है. Now it is clear? तुम देख सकते हो सब जगह हाइड्रोजन, एटलीस्ट वन हाइड्रोजन है, बट इन दिस केस दिस इज टर्शियरी कार्बन, नो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the two methods which I have discussed, and both methods are actually oxidation. First is the oxidation of these functional group, and the second is the oxidation of alkyl benzene. But the condition is this: the reagent is this. These reagents are only required. Now the third method is hydrolysis of acid derivative. You all of you know there is a 4 acid derivative. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड डेरिवेटिव से हम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं आफ्टर हाइड्रोलिसिस. तो जितने भी तुम्हारे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के डेरिवेटिव्स हैं, दिस इज द फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड? ये है किस तरह का फंक्शनल ग्रुप? सो व्हाट आर द 4 डेरिवेटिव्स? एस्टर, एसाइल हैलाइड, अमाइड एंड क्या है ये? Acid anhydride. तो these are the 4 carboxylic acid derivatives. इन acid derivatives को अगर तुम hydrolyze करते हो तो you get carboxylic acid. Okay. What do you mean by hydrolysis? Hydrolysis means what? H plus and OH minus. Okay. तो जब तुम इनकी हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हो तो यहां से बॉन्ड ये क्लीव करता है. एवरीवेयर दिस बॉन्ड क्लीव. So in all cases, this bonds cleave, and due to this cleavage of bond, यहाँ पे सारे ये negative part हो जाते हैं, and this carbon is positively charged, means electrophile, and positive पे always what attack? Negative part. So what you will observe, this RCO, which is called acyl group, at this acyl group, the carbon is positively charged, that means electrophilic in nature, and hence the OH minus nucleophile attack to this carbon. ओके तो यहाँ पे जो हमें प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, यू सी द प्रोडक्ट. ओके टेल मी द प्रोडक्ट. RCO, इस पे OH आ जाएगा. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे जितने भी कार्बन है CO के कार्बन, इस पे OH आ जाता है, और जो तुम्हारे यहाँ जो क्लीवेज पार्ट है इस पे H प्लस आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे OH आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे H प्लस आ जाएगा. तो वन प्रोडक्ट सब में कॉमन आ जाएगा RCOOH. ओके जैसे यहाँ पे दिख रहा RCOOH, और यहाँ पे जो बाई प्रोडक्ट है दैट इज R-OH. ओके सो नाउ सेकेंड में बताओ क्या मिलेगा? सेम RCOOH, and what is a byproduct? HCl. So you will get carboxylic acid and byproduct, that is ammonia. यहाँ पे भी same है, carboxylic acid. Here you will get 2 carboxylic acid. If R are same, then you get the same. If R different, then you get 2 type of carboxylic acid. ठीक है. So you are getting this. Okay. It is actually a type of nucleophilic substitution reaction in which OH minus is nucleophile and carbon is electrophile. COC is electrophile. Okay, now the first is ester hydrolyzed to give carboxylic acid and alcohol, and all of you know this is the reversible process, and hence this reaction is carried out in acidic medium. See the second reaction. Here the byproduct is HCl, which is strong acid, and hence this reaction carried out in presence of base, that is pyridine base. So acyl halide hydrolysis carried out in presence of base to neutralize the HCl byproduct. Third is okay, fourth is okay. So these are the acid derivatives by which you can get carboxylic acid. इवन पता है यहाँ पे तुम हाइड्रोलिसिस से कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ऑब्टेन कर रहे हो, एंड वाइस वर्सा तुम डेरिवेटिव ऑब्टेन कर सकते हो. मींस डेरिवेटिव से हम कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ऑब्टेन कर रहे हो, और इसी को अगर तुम रिवर्स रिएक्शन में लेके जाओगे यू कैन गेट द अगेन डेरिवेटिव. मींस अगर एस्टर से में हाइड्रोलिसिस करे तो वी आर गेटिंग कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड अल्कोहल, बट यही कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड अल्कोहल रिएक्ट करके फिर से एस्टर बना देगा. सेम यू कैन सी एसाइल हैलाइड. असाइल हैलाइड की हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हो तो एसिड एंड दिस मिलता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे रिवर्स में थोड़ा सा हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. ओके वाइस वर्सा भी सेम प्रोडक्ट बन जाता है. Okay. Now what is the next method? Next method is using Grignard reagent and carbon dioxide. So now Grignard reagent reacts with CO2, in which C is the electrophile, and hence what happens? This R group attack to this carbonyl carbon, means CO2 carbon. Okay, and what product we are getting? क्या रिएक्शन क्या होगा? इस C पे R अटैच हो गया, इस C पे ये R अटैच हो गया, एंड दिस O इज कन्वर्ट इनटू O माइनस, जिसपे तुम्हारा MgX आ गया, और ये तुम्हारा डबल बॉन्ड O हो गया. ठीक है, एंड देन इट इज फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस इन एसिडिक मीडियम. तो आपको पता ही है प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा. यू गेट OH, carboxylic acid, and the byproduct is MgOH(X). You get carboxylic acid. Here it may be R or it may be AR. ठीक है, it is clear. And cyanide hydrolysis already you have done when the cyanide hydrolyzed to form carboxylic acid. If I give question, convert benzene to, convert bromobenzene to benzoic acid, not more than 2 steps. Not more than 2 steps. Anybody tell me? How to convert bromobenzene to benzoic acid?
मैम KCN डाल के हाइड्रोलिसिस कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है, तो सबसे पहली बात है, you told that we can add KCN and then it convert into cyanide, and then we go for boiling hydrolysis, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, all are ready? Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
But this is wrong. This reaction not feasible. Why? It is which type of reaction? And you know, aromatic halide does not easily undergo for nucleophilic substitution reaction due to partial double bond character and etc. So now what is
Grignard से कर सकते हैं?
Yes. So this reaction is not feasible at all. So what will go? What will go for?
Grignard डाल देंगे इस मिथाइल वाला, like CH3 minus, and then we can go for that KMnO4.
Yeah, convert, correct. So first you convert bromobenzene into Grignard reagent using Mg dry ether. So you get MgBr. So first it should be converted into Grignard reagent, and then I have shown the reaction, CO2 wala reaction. So you add CO2 and then followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium. So you know this CO2 will be directly attached to COOH and byproduct MgOH(Br). So this is possible reaction, that is not. Now if I ask ki convert, second part, if I'll ask ki convert,
doubt.
This was बस एक last question है. This is a bromobenzene. If I ask convert bromomethane to ethanoic acid, so now you can do any one of the method. यहाँ पे तुम KCN डाल सकते हो, and we prefer this KCN वाला ही only, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दिस अंडरगो फॉर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन। तो अगर तुम्हारा एरोमेटिक एलाइड है तो केसीएन इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बट एलिफेटिक एलाइड है केसीएन ऑल्सो पॉसिबल। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे तुम जो भी मेथड यूज करना चाहते हो कर लो, या तो केसीएन डालो या फिर सेम जी ड्राई ईथर डाल के CH3 MgBr बना लो, एंड सेम सेकेंड स्टेप में ये कर सकते हो। बट आई थिंक इसके लिए ये ज्यादा कन्वीनियंट मेथड है, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस। हाँ जी बोलो पार्थ, व्हाट यू सेइंग?
मैम जो ब्रोमोबेंजीन था उसमें AR